Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
The chrome filter gives your picture a sleek, reflective metallic shine, emulating the look of polished chrome. First, the image is converted to HSV, hue, saturation, value, and the value channel is boosted to increase overall brightness. A radial gradient is then generated to act as a specular highlight. This gradient's strength and radius are controlled by the shine parameter, creating a bright spot that mimics light reflecting off a curved surface. The highlight is blended with the original using a specular factor that determines how intense the metallic glint appears. Finally, saturation is increased to intensify the color, and a subtle reflection overlay can be added for an extra glossy feel. The result is a vivid, high-gloss chrome